This is Holystone HS720G, and today I'll show how you can adjust the return to home altitude on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to enter the camera feed of the Ophelia Fly app. Next, open settings by pressing this cog icon, select the security category, then scroll down, and here is the RTH altitude toggle, which you can set anywhere between 15 and 50 meters. Keep in mind that your RTH altitude cannot be greater than the maximum flying height, so should I set this value to 15 for example, you'll see that I will not be able to move this RTH altitude and set it to be greater than 15. So keep that in mind once you are going to adjust those options. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.